Man, I don't even have words. I worked so hard for this one. I've been working for this one for months, and it's so special to me, man. I don't even have words right now. I don't know how I saved enough. I sputtered up the hill with 2 to go. I didn't think I was going to make it back to the line. I was saving the last 2 laps. Oh, but man, I'm going to enjoy this one for a while. That's special, and I can't say enough about Junior Motorsports. Everyone who supports me, Team Trackhouse, Silver Hair Racing, Carolina Carports for coming on board on my debut, all the fans for showing out today. Thank you guys so much, and 101, not bad.